Hey, car lovers! Welcome back to Car Hub Family, the channel where we talk about everything cars, from the classics to the latest models. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the coolest cars around. Cut to host standing in front of the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. Bright and lively setting. Host, you. Today, we've got something truly iconic on the menu at the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. Yep, you heard that right, the Beetle is back, and it's got a fresh look with all the charm of the classic model, but with modern updates that make it a true contender in today's automotive world. Scene, slow motion shots of the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle driving through a vibrant city, capturing its retro charm. Host, you. Voiceover. The Volkswagen Beetle is a car that needs no introduction. Known for its distinctive, round shape and friendly personality, the Beetle has been a symbol of fun and freedom for decades. Now, for 2025, it's been redesigned to bring a little bit of the old-school magic into the modern era. Scene, close-up of the front, focusing on the iconic crowned headlights and Volkswagen logo. Host, you. First, let's talk about the looks. The 2025 Beetle maintains its signature round headlights and curvy silhouette, but now with a more refined and sleek finish. The front grille is more aggressive, and the whole car has been updated to give it a more contemporary, yet retro, vibe. And of course, that iconic Volkswagen badge remains front and center. Scene, cut to the side and rear of the Beetle, highlighting its new design updates, including the sporty rear bumper and updated taillights. Host, you. Voiceover. The rear end of the Beetle has also gotten a makeover. The new, sportier LED taillights stretch across the back, giving it a modern twist while still holding on to the Beetle's timeless design. The car now sits on 18-inch alloy wheels, and a lowered stance gives it a more athletic profile. Scene, inside the car, showcasing the updated interior with modern tech features like the touchscreen and digital display. Host, you. Step inside, and it's clear this is a 21st Street Century Beetle. The interior combines retro vibes with futuristic features. You'll find a modern touchscreen infotainment system, upgraded digital display, and sleek, easy-to-use controls that make driving this little icon an absolute breeze. Scene, close-up shots of the interior details: seats, steering wheel, and infotainment system. Host, you. Voiceover. Volkswagen has brought the classic Beetle interior into the modern age, but they've kept the classic dashboard design and circular air vents, so you still get that nostalgic feel. The seats are comfortable and come in a variety of materials, from stylish cloth to premium leather, perfect for long drives or city commutes. Scene, host driving the Beetle through scenic roads, showcasing its smooth handling. Host, you. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Beetle is powered by a 1.5 liters turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 174 horsepower. It's got enough pep to keep things fun but still maintains excellent fuel efficiency, making it perfect for both city driving and weekend road trips. Scene, animated specs graphics showing the key performance details. Host, you. Here's a quick rundown of the key specs. Engine, 1.5 liters turbocharged four-cylinder, horsepower, 174 horsepower, torque, 184 pounds-feet, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 7.1 seconds. Fuel economy, 29 miles per gallon city, 39 miles per gallon highway. Scene, the Beetle zooming around corners, demonstrating its agile handling and fun-to-drive nature. Host, you. Voiceover. Even though the Beetle may be small, it's surprisingly agile, with a sports-tuned suspension that lets it handle corners with ease. Whether you're zipping around city streets or cruising on open roads, this car is all about fun and easy driving. Scene, footage of the car on a highway with music playing in the background, showing how smooth and enjoyable the ride is. Host, you. One of the best things about the Beetle is its personality. It's not just a car, it's an experience. With its unique design and fun driving dynamics, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle makes every journey feel like a special one. Scene, host standing next to the Beetle, talking directly to the camera. Host, you. So, Who is the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle for? If you're someone who wants a fun, quirky car that doesn't take itself too seriously, but still offers modern features and efficiency, this is the car for you. It's perfect for those who want a little nostalgia with all the perks of today's technology. Scene: final shots of a Beetle cruising through a picturesque sunset, with the sky turning golden. Host: you. Voiceover: with its blend of classic charm and modern updates, the 2025 Beetle is the perfect car for those who want a little bit of personality behind the wheel. Whether you're driving through the city or out on a weekend adventure, this car will put a smile on your face every time you get in. Scene: host wrapping up the video. Host: you. So, what do you think? Would you rock the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle and embrace the fun? Let us know in the comments below. And, if you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Hub Family for more car content. We've got plenty more exciting reviews and updates coming your way. Host: you. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Keep driving, stay fun, and as always, stay curious.